Would you do 40 just for the indoor?
Oh, she's standing in front of me and then she's over there.
I'm trying not to be in the way.
No.
Yeah, they don't last forever. I like those.
Put the box on it.
Spa day in a fountain.
Oh yeah, the whole thing, make an offer.
What's that? Whole thing?
The whole thing, make an offer.
All of it?
All of it.
Not the table.
No, I don't need the table.
You know, that's the problem with electronics, right? This has all got to be wired, and now it's all...
Yeah, I don't know what the quality is of
It's very good quality.
Yeah. Or well, I'm saying, has it been running a while, or is it?
It's been
just
in
unplug?
storage for a year.
Okay.
It should be wrapped, probably.
Okay. Never use these. Are
These are good.
hanging.
These are good outdoor speakers.
Yeah. What did you have on the Bose at all? Just this alone?
I had 4 speakers, which we left behind. 4 speakers, that was the center speaker, but these would do the job.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this last time we used that, the Klimt,
Mm-hmm.
woofer, and the plane. It's good sound.
Your sign is.
What would you be asking for just this?
I don't want to sell it.
You don't want to sell separately?
Please. I mean, I will if I have to, but
Yikes.
you just want the centerpiece?
Yeah, in a sense.
This fella just wants the centerpiece.
I was just curious.
Good morning.
The center, the Bose. This one here?
Yeah, I think this one.
Sticker is
Uh,
slide it all.
$10.
A
$10.
little extra tack.
Okay. Did y'all have an idea of what you would want for all the speakers, or
For all the speakers,
yeah,
let's go 50.
50 for all of them?
Yeah. These are outdoor.
Yeah, these guys.
Good morning. This is Liz.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
How many are there? 4?
Whoever's on the corner. Oh, okay. That's Mariah.
Yeah.
Hi, Mariah. And that's Jen, who lives here.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Would you do 40 just for the indoor?
Okay.
Those guys and this? Leave the outdoor there. All right.
I didn't wake up till 7.
There you go.
All right.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You want this free box out?
Yeah.
Here, I can move it for you, y'all.
Oh, thank you. Here, I'll get this out. This is the heavy part.
Yeah, let's maybe set it out there. Where are these going? We gotta mark those still.
Yes, please.
Oops.
I'll close her at $1. Okay?
You having a sale day with Mom? Yeah.
They're all set. Do you happen to know what y'all were asking?
Yes, there should be a price on
Oh,
it, right?
there's a.
Yeah,
Sorry, I
marked
didn't
it
see that
down.
tag.
So it's
Okay,
50.
50.
And
Okay.
it's got some lenses in it.
Yeah, I've seen that.
It has film.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. I'm gonna think on that. Here, I can
Okay.
put that back in here.
thank you.
Or are they here to take it?
Yes, the dresser, the chair, the divider. Yeah.
I'm gonna find out where she is I'm gonna bring my car wrap. She's got that chair out there.
Okay, perfect. Okay, we'll wait till the bucket's here.
Okay, so that would be. 60, 95?
We move this out.
Yeah, she's gonna bring her truck around, so, yeah.
40? 40. 20 for the room divider.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're fine. We've got 4, 7, how about $9? How about 9?
This is
14.
looking here.
Okay, $14 altogether? Okay. So we'll go back to 9.
We'll have to carry them out to her.
Yeah.
You write that.
I'm so organized, honey. Are all the letters in? You know, I'm pretty sure, but I can't be positive. Oh, okay. So, I'll look. Yeah, you can, So you like old cameras?
Yeah.
Keep the hangers.
I have a Zeiss Nikon too, an old one,
Mhm.
format camera.
Okay.
I-
You were trying to get rid of it, or you're?
No, I'm
Yeah.
selling it.
Oh, okay.
But I didn't know
yeah,
if
on
you
a-
like
on a
those
higher-
kind or,
It doesn't matter. Anything old and vintagey
yeah.
with the.
But this
that's
one would
good.
be more like
That's a-
probably
So far
$800 or
she's
$900.
Yeah, it's a higher end.
Yeah.
That's a little.
I know, it's hard to get rid of because nobody wants them.
Yeah.
Oh, give her a bag. You can just throw them in there.
I think she's checking them to make sure that they're all. Good luck getting all the things back.
Okay, what have you got over here?
So I'm gonna give you 6. You had 1 and 5 on that.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
Cool. Thank you. Oh, these skis. Tempting.
So you found some stuff.
Yeah, just a couple things.
Really?
I'm
So that was worth it for you?
yeah.
So somebody's gonna buy that?
Oh yeah. Yearbooks sell like 30 bucks all the time. They could be long holders, but like I just picked up a couple from, people move here from all over, and
Yeah.
they were Ohio. And yeah, like 2 of them, just 1950s and 1948s, sold for like $35 each. So yeah, and I picked it. You always pick them up for $1. And
Yeah. And then is that a camcorder?
yeah, this guy's about 50.
Okay.
So yeah,
Deal.
definitely. Yeah, maybe I'll see you around, I guess. So, okay, appreciate it. Thanks.